video, I'm going to teach you how to sing harmony in 3 simple steps. So, let's sing something. La la la! There's something that's really fun about being able to sing harmony, especially like if you're with someone else and they have a guitar and they're jamming out and you get to sing harmony with them. It's almost as fulfilling as being the lead singer. So if you're not able to sing harmony or you don't understand how it happens, or maybe you're just like not one of those people that naturally has a trained ear to hear the harmony, I have 3 steps that I teach to my students, and it helps them learn the basic fundamentals of how to sing harmony as well as how to practice on their own so they can get better. Number 1, 5-tone scale. We're going to start off by learning the 5-tone scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Think of the notes heading from the bottom all the way up and all the way back down, and really envision the placement of these notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to apply them to a scale, a 5-tone scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want 5-tone scales to be able to practice with, go ahead and click the link down below for freewarmups.com. I have 7 days of warm-ups that are delivered to your email, and they have full scales that you could go through and practice with your numbers. But we're going to move on because I got a lot to tell you real fast. Hack number 2. Now we're going to start playing with intervals. We're going to deal with the numbers 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. A 3 is a third above. It's called also a third above harmony. Or a 5 is a fifth above. Also a fifth harmony. I think I know a band named Fifth Harmony. So those are what you're going to be singing over more commonly than not to sing harmony for a song. So we're going to train those a little bit and then come back to it. So let's just do a few. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. The whole time thinking of that scale. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. If you want a full drill to be able to warm up with this, link down below. I actually have a video that I made that I go through an entire 12-minute warm-up practicing all of this. But let's move on to the last one because that's where it gets really fun. Hack number 3, sing against the piano. So this is where we start really getting into harmony, where one note is being sung and then you sing another note over the top. And the cool thing is that you can practice this with the piano. You play one note, then you're going to sing the third. And you play one note, and then you're going to sing the fifth. So let's start off with a 1, and you're going to sing a 3. So let's kind of put our brains back in order with the 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And then you're going to go, here's our 1. You're going to sing 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. So I'm playing 1 on the piano, but I'm singing 3 above it. 1, 3. Now let's do a 5. So we're going to sing 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 3. 1, 5. So if I had 3 voices, let's say, then it would sound like 1, 3, 5. And there's our chord. There's our harmony. So let's move it up another one. Let's do a 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, and one more. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1. Pretty awesome, huh? If you want more detailed drills on how you can go about this, click the link below, and that's going to have a full warm-up drill that you can do practicing exactly what we're doing right here. Click here to learn how to sing harmony without a piano. Click here for all my ear training and harmony warm-up drills, and click down below to join my Facebook group because it's awesome, and I will see you in the next song. La la